Hi, welcome back to Learn Generative AI in 5 minutes. Let's continue from previous video. Today we are going to talk about JSON file object. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. This is a very important file in our daily life. Every data engineer, data scientist will be using this JSON file. This is mainly used for live streaming of data or to transfer data from one system to other system. This will store data in key value format. Key value means two pair data. Pair data means, for example, A comma B, B comma C, 1 comma 2. So A is called key, B is called value. 1 comma key, 2 is called value. So this is how the JSON file format data. Name, this is a key. Johnson, this is a value. Gender is a key. Male is a key. Male is a value. So like this, you can store any number of key value pair data. Key value is separated with the colons. Key and value set is separated by comma. So all these key value pairs will be placed in within flower bracket, starting flower bracket, ending flower bracket. So this is another example for JSON file. Let's talk about Avro file. This is also very important file. This is mainly used to store raw data or row oriented data with very high efficiency. It has got a schema and write. Okay, this is good for writing, very slow for reading. Whenever you have more writing requirement, go for Avro files. So this is the internal file structure of Avro file. And let's talk about Parquet file. So this is also most popular file, columnar storage file, where a schema supported file. So it works very well for Hive and Spark workloads where columns are keep changing, dynamically changing. You can go for Parquet files. Internally data will be stored in binary format. This has got best compression techniques, right? So this is the internal file structure of Parquet file. And here we have a header, a data block, record 1, record 2, multiple records, and this is the footer data, right? Then we have another file called ORC file, optimized row columnar. So this is also very powerful file. It is also similar to Parquet file, data stores in binary format. It also has better compression techniques and store huge amount of data in less memory. So there are two formats of the data. One is row oriented data, another one is a column oriented data. Let's see this example. Assume that we have a title, date and chart. This data, let's see how to store row oriented and how to store in column oriented. This entire column data is stored as a row here. Look at this one. This column, this column, this column. First row will be stored here. This title, then date, then chart value. Then again next row will start here. Again third row will start here. This is row oriented data. So we also, same thing can be stored in column oriented like this. First entire column data is stored. Then second column will start from after first column ending. Then third column value will start from after second column ending. So this is about row oriented, column oriented data. Let's stop it here and continue in the next video with a new topic.